So I want to show you here. I put the hook on the tree on this end, then just like this, just take it around. I put two of those 5/16s, and there's extra cable right here, as you see. You could cut it if you want. I just left it there, the extra cable. So it runs from here, from this part, the hook. The stopper is right there. You can put the stopper wherever you want. I have two dogs, so I put two of them here. As you see, two cables. There's one dog there. This is the other dog, and the line goes all the way to this side here. So I just put it tight on the other side. Over here, this is really not doing anything. This is a spring. I just put the spring here, then I turn this and tie it up, so it'll be tighter. It's not that tight. So I put the other stopper here. I guess you could put one of these, so you could stop the dogs from going to areas you don't want them to go. I just don't really care much about it, but it was easy to set up. Easy setup. They just go wherever they want. So I got two of these. So this is what I have. There you go. I hope that was helpful. Stopper there, the 5/16 hook, two other hooks here, and on this side you see the hook on the tree.